Hello, everybody and every all. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Kakaunti na nga yun nandito. Hindi pa pwede kayo mag-hello talaga. Or ako lang yung hindi nakakarinig. Teka, sandali. Guys, audio check. How's our audio? Ayan, naririnig ko. May naririnig. May huminga. Narinig nyo rin yon? Si Honey, si Rick. Hello, si Wana. Ayan,
Hello,
okay,
Hello.
perfect.
hello po.
Thank you so
Hello
much.
po.
Hi,
Morning.
ma'am.
Ayan, love it.
Good
Okay, wait.
afternoon.
Good morning lagi tayo. Pag tatandaan niyo na sa US time zone na tayo ha. So laging good morning ganon. Okay. Wait, first things first, we need to start our day with our attendance sheet. So let me resend it here. Paki-fill out ng form, 1 minute. Now, just a heads up, ladies and gentlemen, for revamp, we do not allow latecomers. So moving forward, all 14 people here, I expect that you know na kapag pumasok kayo ng 6:01, hindi na kayo tatanggapin. Now, we do understand na kapag matagal ka na sa wait time ba yon? So halimbawa nagpasok ka ng 5:45 and then after ilang minutes ba? I think 5 or 10 minutes. Kunwari nagpasok ka ng 5:45 tapos bumili ka ng kape sa tindahan ni Aling Nena, makikik ka yata after 5 to 10 minutes na nasa waitlist. So you have to make sure na pag upo ninyo sa workstation ninyo, ready na kayo to join the meeting. And then number 2, do not be late because moving forward, um, starting tomorrow, pag 6:01 pumasok, hindi na po siya papapasukin. And the reason being is because, Reg, kaka-start pa lang. Ito, nag-explain pa nga lang ako. So, the reason being is because, simulan na lang natin doon sa simulang kwento. Habang naghihintay tayo, actually, we're giving more time for others to join. And then, teka lang, Riach, kakasimula pa lang. May tanong, grabe yun, oy. Jay pala, Jay, ayan. Wait lang. Kumalma ka. Okay. So, the reason being is because this happened around, I think it was June or May. We had a client and may pinili siya. Super galing, maganda yung profile, walang experience ever. But as a college student kasi, nasa student council and student assist ata yung bata. So, yun yung pinili niya. Unfortunately, um, si Bagets is nasanay ng pag meeting, papasok siya sa meeting is saktong oras. And sa US kasi hindi uso yung Filipino time. So yun, na-elbow siya ni client sa kanyang day 7. 7 nga ba? I forgot. So simula noon, na-realize ko na okay. So, this is really something that I have to start training them on kasi hindi pwede na pumapasok ng late. Mahirap lang yan ba siya? If you have, let's say for example if you have work, tapos alam mo na makakapasok ka is 6:30 pa, might as well, rely ka muna sa recording which will be published 2 to 3 business days after. We're trying our best to get that published sooner rather than later, but we always want to make sure na we give that heads up. And you guys will be provided a copy of the recording naman as soon as published siya. We'll actually talk more about that because today we are going to um, do a little bit of onboarding. Ayan, 6:05 na. Para sa mga bagong pasok, wala pa namang nadi-discuss. Kung hindi, the fact that if you're going to be late, so starting tomorrow, anyone na papasok after 6 o'clock, so yung mga 6:01, 6:01 and 30 seconds yan, hindi na po papapasukin. Also, we will be using different platforms. So halimbawa, today we're going to use Google Meet. There will be times that I will ask you to join a link for Zoom kasi we want to be able to practice na iba-ibang systems na rin yung ginagamit ninyo. Even if this is like the general virtual assistance, like the basics of the basics, surface level training, please expect na kami ay magiging strict din. Kasi you paid us to train you and we're going to do exactly just that. Is that a good deal? Si Jamie question talaga. Hindi, joke lang. BPO time mo, 6 p.m. 5:30 nasa work to. Correct. Ito po ba yung continuation nung last week? Separate talaga. One separate training talaga yung inattendan niya. Dito yung mga nagulat ako. Natatawa ako kasi nakita ko yung name ni Trisha. Dito ba si Ice? Nandun si Ice. There were a lot of people who joined the application book session, which is like the next level training. So talaga, ano nangyayari? Bakit nag-a-apply na ako? Parang ito yung hanggang. Nagulat din lang yan sila. Okay lang yan. Hindi siya continuation. So, i-explain ko. Ayan. But, just to make sure na nagkakaintindihan tayo. Today is day 1. So, I want to welcome everyone. Oh, ito pa lang yung welcome nyo. I want to welcome everybody to the Revamped Basic Work from Home Training Program. My name is Mary and I will be your mentor for the next 4 days. 4 talaga. But this is a 2-week training. 2 weeks ang agang maubos ng English. Kung may grammar Nazi dito, patawarin nyo na ako as early as now. Hindi rin ako magaling mag-English, just like many people na natatakot mag-apply, mag-work from home. But I have been working from home since 2009. And I hope that by the end of this training, kayo ay may matutunan. Nung mga virgin pa po kami nung Friday, na bigla, napuwersa kayo doon sa kayo. At ito pa, mga hindi nagsasalita, as in, sila, so si Trisha, nagtatanong siya ganyan, and welcome ang questions ha, open na open kami sa questions. However, you can expect na merong mga pushback palagi. I will try and push back. That is not to make you feel that you cannot do this, but I want you to actually feel empowered na, ay, kaya ko naman pala na masyuta naman. Bakit hindi ko naman? Ayan pa pala yung second na disclaimer ko. No filter po tayo dito. So, I think that's one thing that people loved about me is ganon. So, kung medyo sensitive yung ears, paki-add na lang po yung filter on nyo somewhere down the road. Makakarinig kayo ng mga words na hindi usually na It's not being unprofessional, but this, I want you guys to feel as comfortable as possible. I want you to enjoy the learning process and I want you to parang feel application book na hindi ko pa alam kung anong si Alison daw nalog yung utak. Okay lang, isipin nyo na lang, kalimutan nyo lahat na nangyari nung Friday. Kumbaga lang yun, ganun pala yung application book, ganun na lang. Okay? All right. So actually, the goal is to take it slow. And when I say take it slow, we're going to start from the very beginning. I want us to tackle onboarding. Ano ba naman yan, Mary? Diyos ko, apakahaba. Parang 10 oras yung onboarding, tapos onboarding pa rin ngayon. Well, unfortunately, there are items that I want to be able to tap before we even proceed to the actual training proper. And this onboarding is very important because when you find your clients, ang kauna-unahan ninyong pagdadaanan ay onboarding. For those who do not know it yet, I want to make sure na naiintindihan ninyo kapag kayo ay nagka-client. O di ba, Jay, dumiretso tayo sa pag may client na. Imagine ninyo, kung wari nag-training kayo ngayon, next week nag-apply kayo. O biglang Diyos ko, may client na. What if halimbawa lang, gusto ko pamilyar na kagad kayo. So, kapag nagkaka-client kasi, usually, ang day one is onboarding. Before dumidiretso kami sa niche, dumidiretso kami sa skills kasi yung training natin is focused on skill building activities. However, um, we are slowly but surely changing the process to make you have a feel of paano kung may client na ako? Ano yung mararamdaman ko? And the very first thing actually na pagdadaanan ninyo is onboarding. Kaya nag-create ako noong onboarding module that you guys went through. Naiisip ko yun actually, sabi ko napakahaba nung onboarding na yun para matapos. So, paano yung mga naboboard, lalo na pag kinesthetic learner ka, and you guys will learn about your learning style din dito sa training na to. But I wanna like briefly discuss din lang and make sure na naiintindihan ninyo. Pag kinesthetic learner ka, aantukin ka sa module na yun. Kasi napakahaba. Tapos manonood ka lang ng videos. Tapos English pa. Tapos may babasahin ka pa like, oh my God, it's not giving. Pero ganun eh. Iba-iba rin kasi ang clients ng teaching style. Kaya sabi ko nga, instead of focusing on just one, hindi, itatap natin lahat ng learning styles para kung ano man yung mag-match, mag-resonate kayo, at least dadaanan nyo yan siya. Alright? Simulan muna natin sa pinakang onboarding. And this is going to be very, very parang brief. Today, our goal is for us to revisit ano nga ba yung pagdadaanan mo kapag nag-enroll ka sa class dito sa Blogimery Group. For starters, remember that you guys filled out a form. That form is, dali. Kunwari na, sa VIP na lang yung kunin ko ha. This is how the form looks like. So you filled it out. And dito pa lang sa pinakantaas, I said, forget everything you think you know about virtual assistants kasi we are doing things differently here. And your mentorship journey starts with this form. You have to make sure to make reading a habit. Bakit? Kasi may mga clients na wala na silang time. Wala na yang oras. Akala nyo ba mag-hire yan ng VA kung may time yan? Wala na silang oras na i-babysit kayo. So sabi ko, ay hindi ko na rin sila i-babysit. Wala nang ganong mangyayari. So this time, we're gonna parang make sure na sarili na kagad kayong magbasa from top to bottom, left to right. Kagaya nito, iniintay kong may magtanong sa VIP neto kasi ang tagal nang walang bus session, ang tagal nang walang monthly touch point. Yan, eto, babaguhin to actually, mapapalitan yan siya. Pero wala nagtatanong. Pero sabi ko, sige, itong mga to di nagbabasa ng form. Okay. So maraming bababago dito sa form. And limited slots lang tayo per month. To be honest, it's around 50. Meron tayong classes na ang gusto lang ng mentor is hanggang 10 to 20. So, pag nag-close na ang isang class, automatic na sa next batch na mapapasama. Dito rin, siguro feeling ko tinitingnan nyo lang, saan ipapadala yung bayad? O, okay, sige. Tapos, ini-skip nyo na rin to talaga yan siya. Pati ito, ini-skip nyo na yan siya. Dumiretso na aminin nyo na, dumiretso na kayo, nasa may form? Saan ako maglalagay ng pangalan? O saan ko ilalagay yung ano? O, okay na to. So, but simulan natin sa form. Isa naman halos ang itsura. Okay. So may nagte-text pa rin ba dito sa number na to? Meron po. Hindi naman po siya mare-replyan because this is a virtual number. Wala nagbabasa. Wala namang nag-ano. So hindi rin siya mare-replyan. For inquiries, you can email support. To confirm payment, eto may nagbabasa neto. Nakakarating dito. If wala pang nare-receive na update, then eto rin yung isisenda na email. Once na what do you call this? Once na ma-receive yung payment, you will automatically receive an onboarding welcome kit. So this is actually different pa from yung automated email na we received your enrollment and all that. Papakita ko sa inyo yung example nun. Now, let's talk about the training process. Etong form is this one. So, nandito pa lang kayo. Yung mga umatid ng application book, nandito kayo sa page 5, sa number 5. Kita niyo yung gap? Layo, no? Okay. So, enrollment, nandito kayo when you filled out the form. After that, so, after enrollment, dito sa gitna, makaka-receive kayo ng email na ang itsura ay, hold on. Hold on tight. Uh, ayan, eto. Andito na ba si Fernando? Tatanggalin ko muna to at ilalagay ko naman na ito. Okay. So, after nyo mag-fill out ng form, makaka-receive kayo ng ganitong email. And ang sabi dito, thank you for enrolling. We want to make sure that you are fully informed about the training process. Ang translation nito, gusto kong malaman ninyo, napapasok pa lang kayo dito, kailangan mataliktik ng brains ninyo. And huwag kayong mag-guilty kung hindi kayo mahilig magbasa. Ladies and gentlemen, ako rin po. Lahat ng ituturo namin sa inyo, for the most part for the most part. Yung halimbawa, pagiging lutang, yung paminsan-minsan medyo syunga. Ladies and gentlemen, kami po ang kauna-unahang nag-guilty dyan. Yan po yung mga tinuturo namin para hindi nyo nadaanan. Kung baga daanan nyo man, nandito pa lang sa training. Hindi yung pagkari nag-send yung client mo ng onboarding email, ano daw? Saan daw ako pupunta? Ano daw yung ano? Ano yung Slack? Ano yung, Diyos ko, kala nyo ba, noong 2014, nung nilaunch yung Asana, dinugo ako literal. Hindi ko yung period ko 1 week in advance. So iwasan natin yung gano'n. Para maiwasan, dito pa lang magkamali na kayo. I am welcome to letting you know na hoy ang syunga mo sa part ngayon. Hindi no girl, bawal yan. No, dito ka kanan, ganon. So, makaka-receive ng ganitong email. Dito pa lang, pinaliwanag na namin yung training process na kunwari hindi siya nakadetalye dun sa form, di ba? Pero, parang feeling ko kulang pa din. So, on top of that, nag-send pa ako ng email na ganito. In-explain ko pa dyan ng everything and every all. As in, simulan natin sa, in-explain ko pa para sa ano. Kasi minsan, mas mabilis yung 5 minutes na video na papanoorin kesa dun sa 2 minutes na babasahin lang. Aminin na natin yon. Mas okay yon. Ganun ganun talaga. Also, on top of that, to ensure that the message doesn't get lost in your inbox, please make sure that you respond to that email. So, kailangan nyo mag-reply doon sa email. And if may question, nandito ulit si support. And then, in-explain ko pa, very well done, Fernando, kung nandito ka na. Pero hindi, kakapasok pa lang niya yan siya. Next batch to. So, for timely and legitimate response. Kasi baka mamaya nag-email kayo dun sa nagsisend ng calendar invite. Yun yung email ko dun sa VA agency namin and nakaka-receive ako dun siguro minimum of 100 to 200 emails per day. I cannot. I just can't. I really would love to respond to all of your DMs. I just can't. I don't have the bandwidth na. Yung hindi na computer ko ang nagahang. Ako na po. Yes. So hindi na ako makaka-reply. At saka just to be sure kasi kaya nga tayo, guys, yung binabayad sa training goes to the salary of our admins. So at saka sa system na ginagamit natin. So sayang, 'di ba? Girl, gamitin natin ng mga admins natin. We have support. Usually, it takes them about 24 to 48 hours. But right now, we are transitioning. So, we are making changes. Anything na sinend sa ibang email, like for example, sa email ko, kung ano ba mga email na meron kayo dyan, we cannot guarantee immediate attention or the authenticity of responses to email sent to any other addresses. Just to be safe. Clear tayo doon? Goods? Okay. Yeah. Nagta-thumbs up kayo, mamaya tatanong na naman, ha? Baka mamaya maligaw na naman kayo ng landas. Okay. Good. Now, so, after receiving that email, makaka-receive kayo ngayon ng napakahabang email. Kumbaga meron pa warm up, may announce, "Uy, alam mo ganito ha, just a heads up, makaka-receive ka ng ano, napakahabang sige yung mga andito naman na kayo, so naiintindihan niyo na yung sinasabi ko na ano, 'di ba? Na napakahabang email, yes? Okay, ayan. Just to be sure, kasi ganito siya kahaba, asan na tayo? Sandali ha, hahanapin ko muna. May mga nilipat na pala sa internship, sandali. Ito na. Hindi maiksi lang naman pala, mahaba naman ako. So, this is the onboarding. Maiksi lang kasi maliit yung font. Okay. So, si Bea, hindi nasa internship na yata si Bea, I believe. Okay. Oo. Ano 'to? Upgrade. Okay. So, after your payment has been validated, you will be required to take an online course. So, this is your module. This is the next step. To proceed to the next step, meron ulit video. Bakit may ads? Okay. Eto. So, this one is beta testing pa, but actually hindi na siya mapapalitan na yung video na yan siya. But in-explain ko dito that you have to go to the onboarding. So, click here and click on enroll. Since this is the first time that you will be signing up, kailangan nyo mag-click ng register now. And pinapaliwanag ko lang ha para ano, para alam kong nadaanan nyo na to. So, after that, register, you will have to take the course, unfortunately. After training this, pag pumunta sa Blogy Mary group, and we are fixing this na, bloggymarygroup.com, ang gusto, eto mga VIP, aminin nyo, gusto nyong i-take lahat yung courses na nandito sa baba. Ayan, inaayos pala yan siya ngayon. Pagpunta nyo sa course list, paano ko po ma-access yung ano, yung technical writing? At paano to? Muna, chumil ka. Ikalma mo yan, B. Dito, magsisimula pa lang tayo. Ikalma mo. So, when it says protected, you won't be able to access it because those are recording videos. But again, we are working on this. Tatanggalin na yan dyan siya lahat. Hindi na yan siya dyan ilalagay. Because we might move it to a different place para hindi malito. But just in case, just a heads up, yung nakasulat na protected, you won't be able to access it unless naka-attend na kayo ng live training or na-invite na kayo, which means, kuwari, nag-enroll kayo ng August 18, hindi nyo ma-access yung recordings ng previous classes. Kailangan moving forward yung i-access nyo. Tsaka bakit mo naman papanoorin yung January class? Ito na, may bago na eh. Diba? Huwag sayangin oras mo. Efficiency is key. After nyong i-take ito, inside the onboarding, there is a test task. Sinabi na rin namin yan siya dito. Because one thing that we realized is that people are so excited to just get over and done with the onboarding, hindi na nila napapansin na may test task pala. And even if you already know what is inside the module, the onboarding, it would still make sense to remind people about the freelancing world, what's virtual assistance, ano nga ba yung importante na kailangan focus mo instead of searching for your niche, searching for ganito, mag-aaral ako ng Go High Level. Bakit? Alam mo yun? Ba't ka mag-aaral ng Go High Level? Ano yung purpose? Mag-aaral ako ng SMM. Bakit? So pag tinanong ka, wala. Sabi ni marami daw kita dun eh. That kind of mindset, we're gonna try and change it because our goal is for you to build a sustainable freelancing business. So, hindi na lang siya short term, kailangan ko ng pera bukas. Makapag-VA nga. Ano daw? Wala nang ganon. So we want to try and slowly integrate sa inyo, sa system ninyo, sa sarili ninyo, ano nga ba yung tunay na ginagawa ng virtual assistant. Madali maging virtual assistant. Mahirap magpaka-virtual assistant is one thing that I learned. And one more thing, imagine yung mga napunta sa gym with the ultimate goal of being sexy. Eventually, you see them posting about their journey, and it's no longer about being sexy. It's all about being strong. Nakikita nyo yon? Hindi naman ako nag-gym, so no judgment there. But that's the kind of mindset that we want you to have. Papasok kayo, gusto nyo maging mayaman. Lalabas kayo sa training ng, hindi, gusto ko, eto na yung gagawin ko ng pangmatagalan. This is my business. Ganyan. Okay? Goods, goods? All right. Now, I want to give you an overview na of what happens after. So, today, you guys started your live session. For VIPs, for sure, naka-attend na kayo ng weekend classes kung umabot kayo doon. But you guys will have your live sessions. If yung class ay may internship, you will go through the internship. And internship ay nakadepende sa class. May mga internship na output-based na may due date. May mga internship na kailangan nyo talagang mag-log in because live na ipapakita sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ng role. May mga internship na mag-login kayo kasabay nung client na time because you will be doing client work talaga. May mga internship naman na ang feedback will be provided in via Google Classroom. We're gonna tap into that later on. But I want to discuss this real quick. After that is the application book. Now, our application book is currently being upgraded. Yun yung inattenda ninyo last Friday. So there are times when, siguro in a year, mga once or twice, na live yung application book. But for the most part, it will be module-based then. The reason being is because every time na may makita ako na update sa kung paano nga ba nagpa-process yung mga clients or recruitment ng pag-apply, gusto ko alam nyo kagad yun. And marami akong partner agencies, yung mga nakikita nyo na pinupost ko na hiring. And ang kagandahan lang nun is meron akong, I have access sa, huy, ano ba yung process nyo pag ganito? Huy, bakit si ganito nag-apply maganda naman pero hindi natanggap? Chininchika ko silang ganyan. Para, syempre, di ba, kailangan updated din ako kasi gusto kong, alam ko kung ano yung process nila. That way, I'd be able to help you guys parang further. Pero, none of these, none of the whole training process, kahit makagraduate kayo, ma-certify kayo, none of these would matter if, di ba, after application book, isa-submit nyo yung final activity and then dun sa mismong form, which mabapalitan na to this week, give me until Friday, automatic magbubook na kayo ng inyong mock interview, which is your one-on-one with me. Yung one-on-one, people expect na, attend lang ako nito, magmamock interview lang, and then after that, makukuha ko na yung certificate ko. If umattend lang kayo, or nag-join kayo dito sa training because you want to get a certificate, let me know as early as now. Ibibigay ko na lang sa inyo yung mga free websites to get certificate na globally recognized pa. Because our mentorship program is not about certificates. The only people who would recognize our certificates are the clients na pag-applyan nyo. Halimbawa na i-match namin kayo sa client. Makita nila sa resume nyo na, so graduate ka pala kay Blogging Mary, ganyan-ganyan. Yun lang. Pero yung sasabihin mo sa global market, hindi. Hindi pa din. Because may mga positions na hindi naman na talaga require ng certificates. So kung umattend ka lang dito for the purpose of certificates, please know, number one, hindi basta-basta pino-provide yung certificate namin. we have to see and make sure first na kayo ay handang-handa na. Paano namin nalalaman? I am doing the one-on-one. Sa one-on-one, you guys will have action items. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, nag-mock interview tayo and nakita ko na, halo, ninenervyos pa si ate girl. Bakit kanina mga ganon? Sige, today, we have to fix muna yung nervyos mo. So, ito yung kailangan mong gawin. After 2 weeks, mag-mock interview ulit tayo. Okay na, nawala yung nervyos. Sanay na. However, laglag yung storytelling skills, which will help you land clients. Sige, ito yung gagawin natin ngayon. Hanggang sa ma-perfect na natin yung process and makita ko na, laban na to, pwede na to, be free my child. Gano'n. Kapag nakita kong handa na kayo, meron na kayong certain process ng pag-a-apply or actually may dalawang bagay pang nangyayari. Either nagkaka-client na or magsasabi na, Coach Mary, papahinga muna ako kasi medyo durog na yung pagkatao ko sa rejections. I need to decompress and find myself. Find myself? Gusto mo yun? Find myself daw. I need to find myself muna. Yon. Then we stop. But again, are you lost, baby girl? But then again, yung certificates will not yet be released. Pero again, certificates, kung yan lang pinasok mo, Diyos ko girl, kayang-kaya mo kumuha ng certificate ng isang araw. Udemy, HubSpot, ang dami. Kaya nga, as much as possible, before enrolling, we always encourage yung mga aspiring BAs na mag-free resources muna. Kasi, ang isi-share namin dito sa mentorship program is more on the strategies na. So, sisimulan natin sa pinakang simula, skills, hanggang sa strategy na. Paano ba mag-apply? Hindi natalab yung pag-a-apply ko ng ganitong oras, anong pwede kong gawin? Ang ganda na ng ginamit. 10 power words na nasa cover letter ko, hindi pa rin pinapansin. Anong pwede kong gawin? So, nasa strategic learning path na tayo. Okay? Okay ba yun? Naintindihan? So, bago natin pag-usapan yung house rules natin mamaya. Wala pa pala sa house rules. Bago natin pag-usapan yung house rules natin mamaya, I'd like to ask everybody and every all to please iwan muna kung halimbawa kayo ay balat sibuyas, yung madamdamin, which hindi naman natin maiiwasan. Meron talagang mga tao na madamdamin. Kung kayo ay balat sibuyas, iwan muna natin sa labas ng bahay. Labas muna kayo, iwan nyo muna doon. Pagpasok nyo, kailangan medyo makapal-kapal ang balat. Pangalawa, kung kayo, ladies and gentlemen, ay mahiyain, labas muna kayo, iwan muna sa labas yung pagiging mahiyain. Good ba yan? Good deal? Goods? Ayan. Okay. All right. So, let's first start with our house rules. For our house rules, I want to make sure na naiintindihan ng lahat ito. Number 1, for all classes, Taglish is okay. It would be nice if you are going to practice your English. If merong correction, we will correct real time. Hindi na natin kaya na, kunwari lang, sino mga nanditong familiar akong pangalan? Kunwari, si Ann, yan. Kunwari si Ann, sumagot siya in English. Tapos, nakita ko na may pwedeng i-correct sa grammar. Right there and then, sasabihin ko kay Ann, ganito ha, hindi yan, I didn't knew. I did not know dapat. So, if kayo ay natatakot na i-correct ng nandito sa classroom, iwan nyo muna yung takot na yon. Andito tayong lahat to learn. And yes, I did say lahat tayo because I myself am learning every single time that I meet a new batch because nakikita ko, before I assumed na lahat marunong gumamit ng Gmail until I met a friend and she was supposed to be an admin. But then again, I realized that she doesn't even know how to use Gmail. And so from then on, sabi ko, okay, so kailangan pala tuturuan ko gumamit ng Gmail. Kailangan pala tuturuan ko ng ganito. So, ang house rules natin, number one, Taglish is okay, but EOP or English only policy is highly recommended. Number two, makinig mabuti. Etong part na 'to talagang naiintindihan ko kung medyo naghahang na kayo. Hindi na computer ngayon ang naghahang, yung user na. Kasi 'pag mahaba, lalo na 'pag yung mga 8 hours na training, which we do have by the way. Isang straight talaga lang, isang bagsakan. So mahirap makinig. What I would recommend is every 20, so sa 30 minutes, every 25 minutes, you stand up. Kung hindi naka-wireless na headset, okay lang basta tumayo ka lang do'n sa workstation mo. Ako kasi hindi na gumagana yung nandun lang sa harap ng workstation kaya naka-wireless na ako. Pumupunta ako ng banyo habang nasa meeting, umiihi ako habang nasa meeting para lang ma-refresh yung utak ko. Minsan nga nagsasalang ako ng lalaban, eh. 'Pag yung mga, meetings na puwede namang i-email na lang halimbawa, pero inabot kami ng 4 hours. Alam mo yung mga gano'n? Nagsasalang ako ng lalaban para ma-refresh yung utak ko. So, makinig mabuti is the number one goal. If it's making parang the environment, it's making it impossible for you to listen, please stand up. Now, I ask everyone to stay muted unless if you guys have any questions, I want you to raise your hands. And to do that, kita nyo dito sa baba ng meeting room, may microphone. Kita? Yung microphone? Okay. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan, but ngayon I wanna show you muna yung, paano mag-raise ng hand. So yung microphone, merong video, merong box na may arrow pataas, which is supposedly pala is a laptop. But anyway, box ang tawag ko diyan, matagal na. So box na lang, box na may arrow pataas, and then may smiley, but hindi tayo dun kukuha ng raise hand. So kita niyo yung CC sa loob ng box. Yung kasunod do'n, raise hand. I think control H din, ewan ko kung gagana. Now, let's practice that para lang lahat makapag-practice. Everybody, please raise your hands and wag niyong ibababa. Yung mga hindi magre-raise ng hand, tatanggalin ko dito sa classroom. We have 3 more people. 2. 2 more people. Wag niyong ibaba, guys. Iwan niyo lang yung siyang nakataas. 2 more people na hindi nakataas. Ayan, perfect. Okay, now to lower your hands, i-click nyo lang ulit yun siya. Pakiclick ulit. Very well done. Uy, Leslie, baba mo na yung kamay mo. Leslie. Leslie. Yan. Leslie, move the glass. Ay, dalawang Leslie natin. Leslie with the Y and Leslie with the IE. Leslie with the Y, L na lang itatawag ko sa'yo. Les na lang. Oh, isang Les at isang Leslie. Leslie na with the Y, ikaw na mag-adjust. So, Les ang tawag ko sa'yo. Okay. All right. So, that's how you raise your hands if you have questions. If we have the bandwidth to answer questions, LA na lang daw. Ayan, okay. So, isang Les at isang LA. Love it. If we have the bandwidth to answer the question, I will call your name. Saka ka palang mag-unmute. To unmute your microphone, i-click mo lang yung mic icon dito sa baba. So practice tayo, audio check na rin. Tatawagin ko kayong isa-isa and I want you to come say hi. Goods ba? Hi pa lang ah. Oh, yung mga hiya nyo, sinabi ko sa inyo, iwan nyo yan sa labas. Okay, let's start with Allison.
Hi po.
Hello. Okay, next, Anne.
Hi po.
Hi. Next, Danica with double C.
Hello po.
Next, Darlene. Ayan, ayan. Darlene, na-unmute mo, but you have to say hi. Hindi ka namin naririnig, Darlene, so babalikan ka namin mamaya, okay? Next, Diana.
Hi, Coach.
Hi. Next, Donna.
Hi, Coach.
G.
Hi.
Honey.
Hi.
Ivy. Jaira. Jaira. Sige, balikan ko si Jaira at si Darlene later on. Leo. Leo Albert.
Hello, Coach. Good
Meow.
evening.
Holler. LA. LA. LA move the glass. Leslie ko yun. LA. Hindi, si Leslie with the Y. May isa pang may isa pang Leslie, sabi ko na. LA. Okay, babalikan natin si LA mamaya. Michelle.
Hi, everyone.
Miriam. Miriam. Miriam, move the glass. Okay, babalikan din kita mamaya. Rick, how are you?
Hi, Coach. Hi, everyone.
Well, Rosemary. Ay, Rosemary pa.
Coach.
Ano may ginawang ingredients sa spaghetti? Nakakalawa. sorry. sorry. Sorry na. Bago pa para sa akin. Jay.
Hi, Coach.
Hi, Stephen. Ay, hindi ka rin namin marinig, Stephen. Sige, balikan natin mamaya. Trisha.
Hi, Coach.
Wena. Si Wena na kanina pa naka-unmute pero hindi ko naririnig. Okay, babalikan natin yung mamaya. And Wendy. Maraming
Hi, Coach.
Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, basically, guys, if I call your name, halimbawa, tinawag ko si Stephen, kunwari. Pag tinawag ko si Stephen at hindi siya sumagot, kunwari may activity na ha, at hindi siya sumagot, and hindi nagana yung microphone niya, what I will do is ikikik ko muna sa classroom. That way, kunwari ha, nakik kayo. Ang gagawin ninyo, pagbalik nyo sa classroom, may pop-up kasi dyan, I believe na kailangan mo, i-mute ko muna ang everybody. Okay, wait, hold on. Muted, ayan. Okay. Alright. So, kunwari, pabalik kayo, may pop-up dyan, you have to make sure na na-check ninyo yung audio ninyo. Paano kung may papakita yung mic icon? So, one thing that you have to check, mag-aano tayo, magmi-mirror to ha? Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Okay. So, kita nyo guys dito sa baba ng mic, may katabi na arrow pataas. If you click on that, itong unang sorry naka-mirror. I don't have any other way to show it to you. But, close. Ito, pag click nyo to, kailangan yung piliin palagi is yung tamang tao. And if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-download ng Crisp, please make sure na ma-download nyo yan siya. The link, I believe may link na provided sa calendar invite, which we will review later on. But the link will be provided sa, what do you call this? Sa calendar invite. And you can also download it. Pwede nyo i-google yan, but crisp.ai yung link niya. Siguro we'll have more time to discuss about Crisp. Ano discuss about? We'll have more time to discuss Crisp pagka may time pa tayo for, kasi bukas is, today is onboarding, tomorrow is more on system. So, ganyan. Free si Crisp, pero meron lang siyang free na 90 minutes, I believe, per day na free. If you're doing 8 hours of phone calls, I highly recommend na bumili na kayo. $12 yata yan siya per month. Ganon. Okay? Alright. Next. If you are feeling sleepy, pag inaantok, or ano pa ba mga unique na ano, kailangan ninyong umalis sa harapan ng computer ninyo. Dumating na yung pagkain galing Grab, nang hingi ng dede yung anak mo, may dumating na delivery ng Shopee, any reason bakit kailangan mo lumayo sa computer, ito yung parang ano natin, Ox5 or bio break. Sino dito yung may call center experience? Please raise your hands. Please raise your hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sino pa? So yung may mga call center experience, para saan ang bio break? Para saan ang bio break? Para saan? Use the chat box. CR daw, sabi ni Leslie. CR, what else? Parang mababa itong mga taga-call center na to. Sino ang nagbabayo break para pumuntang McDo? Para, Yossi, yes, honey. Yan, si honey ang aking bestie. Anything else within a few minutes. Gusto ko yung term mo dun dyan. Anything else within a few. Anything that you can do. Ilan minutes ba yung break nyo? Kasi kami, may 15 minutes kami na allotted. Huminga sa labas. 5 minutes lang? Orly naman, no? Ganun ba kaigsi ngayon sa call center ang ano? Sa BP, 10 minutes. 15. Ba yan? Orly naman ng management. Inextion yung decision ng kumpanya. So, para dun sa mga walang BPO or call center experience, we have what we call the bio break or Ox break. And normally, it runs between 10 to 15 minutes. And ibahala ka na kung gusto mong gawin siyang 2 minutes muna, tapos 5 minutes, and then 10. Nasa sayo yon. Ngayon, dito sa atin, we also have the bio break. Wala namang allotted time. Kung gusto mong kalahati ng training, wala ka, okay lang yan. But I would like to ask na kayo ay mag-send ng heart reaction. How are you going to do that? You see dito sa baba ng meeting room, meron kayong ito. So, you click the reaction button and then yung kauna-unahan nun is yung puso. You see the heart? Can you guys hit the heart button? Or emoji, heart emoji. Okay. Yung katabi nun is yung thumbs up if gusto nyong i-acknowledge na naiintindihan nyo yung dinidiscuss. Iba pala sa pinapakita ko dito kasi Zoom pa to eh. So, teka, wait lang. Let me screenshot para matatandaan ko yung mga babaguhin ko dito sa presentation. Dali ha. Hold on sites. Okay. Ayan. Capture. So, yung parang nagse-celebrate, yung confetti, pag may gusto kayong i-celebrate, pindutin nyo yan. You also have the clapping hands, which is usually, yun yung napipindot pag sinabi kong raise your hands, yun yung pinipindot. So, hindi ko makikita yan siya. Akala ko pinapalakpakan nyo lang yung pinapakita ko na na presentation, ganyan. So, meron din natatawa, na-amaze, nalulungkot, napapaisip, and thumbs down. And right beside that, you can even change yung what do you call this? Color ng skin tone. Very inclusive ang atake ng ng ating um, emoji. Ayan. Now, next is, so pag kailangan ng bio break, you have to hit the heart button. If kaya nating mag-break, magbe-break tayo. If hindi kaya, ang gagawin ko naman is babagalan ko yung discussion. For other mentors, I believe that they will be providing you their own house rules. So makinig na lang kayo per session. But if in any case na ako yung mentor nyo, this will be pretty much the same thing. Next, if I ask you to share your screen, I am asking everyone to share the entire screen, hindi lang yung gusto nyong ipakita na screen. How to do that? At wag niyo nagayahin to, wag niyo na pindutin. Kasi baka mamaya kayo na mag-share. Kayo na rin pag-discussin ko. Wag magulat kayo. Okay. So, i-click niyo tong box na may arrow pataas. After clicking that, makinig mabuti ha, after clicking that, may pop-up yun. Sa pop-up, basahin nyo kano nakasulat, but makikita ninyo, there should be an option to click entire screen, and then click yung pinakang screen na gusto ninyong i-share, and then saka pa lang magiging clickable yung share button. I want you all to try that, except wag nyong pipindutin yung share. Pakitry nga everybody, i-click nyo lang yung, wag nyong pipindutin yung share ha. O, pindutin nyo lang yung arrow pataas. Nakita nyo yung may pop-up dyan, basahin maigi yung instruction. But ultimately, we are looking for, sasabihin niya, share yung entire screen. Pagpunta sa entire screen, makikita ninyo doon yung, kung wari meron kayong 5 na screen, gusto niyo yung 5 screen. Kung meron kayong 5 screen, pipiliin niyo yung gusto nyong i-share. Huwag niyo i-click yung the present now button. Pero huwag niyo i-click yung present now or share ha, kasi mag-stop yung sharing sa akin. Kumbaga, huwag niyo pipindutin yung pinakang huli. Nakita ng everybody? Good. Now, the last thing that I want to make sure that we all understand is, paano wala sa'yo, Ann? Pa-unmute na lang ako, please. And then I also want to remind you, Ann, if may question or may challenges or may nawawala sa pinapakita ko, raise your hand kagad. Kaagad, bilisan nyo, raise your hand. Bakit di ko makita ganyan? Para walang maiwan. Okay. So, ano yung question? Mag-unmute ka na lang, para mabilis. Ann. Unmute. Uy. Ay, wala yung, sandali. Walang unmute button, no? Sorry, akin. O, sige, unmute na kita.
Kaya
Yan.
pala po.
Mm-mm.
Kasi po yung katabi nung icon na may people, chat yung chat with everyone. Tapos may parang
Okay.
bubble po to.
You're looking at the wrong place. The
Okay.
icon we are looking for is, di ba may microphone icon, may video icon, tapos nandun dapat yun siya. I believe unless iba-iba yan siya.
Wala, ang katabi po yung parang laptop na po, katabi ng video.
Yun. Yun nga yun.
Ito pong parang laptop.
Iba ang itsura sa'yo?
Iba sa
Hindi
akin.
siya,
po kasi
wala siyang arrow na pataas?
may pataas po siya, tapos present now, cancel.
Yes, that's the one.
Ano po? Okay po.
Aha. Oo.
Sorry po, sorry.
Nag-overthink ka na naman. Yes,
Kasi
yan.
po yung sa, share, okay.
Oo. Nakita mo na? Yung
Apo.
entire screen. Goods? Okay.
Pipinutin
Present
po
now
yung
din?
present now.
Hindi. Kasi wag kasi kayo makakapag-present.
Okay po.
Okay? Alright. Ulitin ko lang. Nandito pa tayo sa house rules. If may questions, raise your hands. Okay? Ay, alam ko na ang gagawin ko. Sandali. Tatanggalin ko yung access niyo mag-chat para kayo magsalita lahat. I wanna hear your voices. I want to see, actually, I wanna see how you guys ask, because that's one other thing that, imumute na kita na yan. I want to make sure also that you know how to ask the right questions. Yun yung purpose nung bakit gusto ko mag-raise kayo ng hands. Minsan kasi naman, paano ba naman yung may magko-comment ng how? Anong how? Okay, may magko-comment interested saan? Ano pa yung mga comment? Gusto ko po ng ano? Use your words. Raise your hands. We'll practice asking questions the right way. Cool. Enough ko talaga yung chat box. Para wala akong maiwang question dyan. It's 6:55. Ang sabi ko sa inyo, every 30 minutes or so, I want you to stand up. So let's go ahead and practice that. Let's reconnect. Let's pause for a moment. And let's reconnect at 7 o'clock. Go. Tumayo kayong lahat ha. Pagka kayo hindi tumayo talaga, ang gagawin ko talaga dyan, ipapa-on ko ang camera ninyo at babantayan ko lahat na tumayo. Ha? Gusto mo yun? Tumayo ang everybody ha. Go. Alison, sabi ko talaga tumayo, hindi yung magpaulan ng puso. Nasa live. Okay. So, now that we've covered the house rules, heads up lang ha. We do not typically ano to, spend this much time discussing the house rules. But we have a new course outline for revamp, which you guys are the very first ones to experience. So parang mangyayari is like pioneer kayo ng mga ka-experience nung bago nating course outline for revamp. So that is why I want to make sure that we tap everything that we are uh, going to parang pretty much use for the next 2 weeks. Yes, Leo, what's your question?
May I excuse myself for a moment, Coach? I need to pick up my wife up.
Yes, go ahead. Thanks,
Thank you,
Leo.
Coach. I'll catch up later, Coach.
Love
Thank
it.
you.
Yes. You're an amazing husband. You do your ano muna, priorities. Ano, you do your priorities. Sige, maingat. Okay. So, now let's proceed to the actual onboarding. I want to make sure that everybody understands what the training process would be and what tools we will be using during the course of your training with Blogy Mary Group. So if you're from Top VIP, obviously this isn't the only live session that you guys will have. But for those who are in sa revamp, please know that Top VIP is actually almost the same thing except 10 times more yung ginagawa. Yun yung difference. 10 times hindi. Syempre, pag sa October may SEO na. So mga 13 times more yung ginagawa ng VIP. Ganyan yan siya. Okay. So, the very first thing that I want us to learn how to use would be Gmail. I want you to know that Gmail is more than just Google. When you open a new tab ng Chrome, teka, wait, just to be sure, lahat ba ang gamit dito sa training is Google Chrome or merong nasa ibang browser? Is there anyone here na ibang browser ang ginagamit? If meron, I will give you guys 2 minutes because we need to ayan, si G lumabas na. We need Google Workspace. Two minutes. One more minute. Labas muna yung mga hindi Google Chrome ang gamit dito sa meeting room. You need to start using Google Chrome. So yung iba would be baka nasa Fox. Ano pa yung mga browser na ginagamit ngayon? Madaming ginagamit yung iba eh. So for the purpose of this training, I want you all to use Google Chrome. Ay, si Leo, na-smile pa. Hoy, sumundo ka na ng asawa. Ayan, Opera. Yun na. Lala ko na. Microsoft Edge, yes. So lipat kayong lahat, yung lahat ng nasa ibang browser, please use Chrome. Lipat mo, labas muna kayo sa meeting room. Log in kayo sa Google Chrome. One more minute. Okay. Now, for the most part, kapag bago kayong pasok sa client, ang kauna-unahan nilang gagawin is bibigyan kayo ng access sa email ninyo. And based on experience, siguro, teka, wait. G, i-mute kita ha. Nandiyan si G. Okay. So, for the most part, bibigyan kayo ng access sa email ninyo. And siguro, it's been a while since I saw someone using Outlook na email. Laging ang ginagamit nila is from Gmail. So even if, let's say for example, ang email ninyo is yung kagaya sa amin, mary@topremoteworker.com, kahit na naka@topremoteworker.com yan siya, Gmail yon. Pero naka-ano na sila sa web extension. So, pag binigyan kayo ng link ni client, magla-login kayo, that means you have to have Google Chrome. And the reason being is because, ganun. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Let me close this. Let me open this. Bakit? Hmm. Hmm. Ayan. Okay. Close. Back. Okay. So, ganito yung itsura niya, 'di ba? Dito sa Chrome, andito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para matuto ng 95% of the administrative work. So when I say 95% of the administrative work, dito sa taas is you have your Gmail. Pag click niyan, it will go to the email. Hindi ko na muna i-click. Images. And we have the waffle icon where you will find the Google Apps. I'll give you guys 1 minute to just briefly check kung ano-ano yung meron kayo. Now, itong account kasi na to is naka-subscription na siya. So, baka meron dito na wala sa inyo and that is okay. But go ahead and check. 1 minute. Okay. Now, from Google Chrome, you would be able to open your profile. So if you click on that, you will be taken here. Ulitin ko lang ha. I just click the waffle icon and then itong kauna-unahan which says account. Click on that and you will be taken to this page. Here, you'd be able to change yung photo ng profile ninyo. You'd also be able to change yung information. So this is where you change yung inyong pangalan. My recommendation is for you to use your first and last name. I'm gonna give you guys until 7:15 to do that. First and last name. Yes, Leslie.
Coach, paano kaya yun kung ano, kung pwede ba yun nickname na lang ilagay namin? Kung
Why?
sakali. Para just to make sure lang din na maiksi na lang din yung ano, yung lalabas dun sa ano, sa email or sa ano, sa mismong account ng Gmail.
Good point. Instead of paigsiin, why not add it as yung nickname? Pero I would highly recommend kung ano yung legal name ninyo sa IDs, yun yung gagamitin ninyo dito. Kasi when you when you send your email, halimbawa nag-send kayo ng resume, hindi naman nila isa-search yung nickname nyo. Yun yung main concern ko doon. Pwede din siguro when you change your name ha. So when you click here, syempre hindi ko siya mapapalitan. When you click here, what you can do is put, kung wari lang Mary Rose, tapos open close, parenthesis, would be yung nickname nyo, and then your last name. Pwede yun. Pwede nyo rin i-add as nickname. It's up to you. Yes, Leslie, go. Ay, ina pa.
Coach, yung
Mm.
ano din po, about dun sa mga basic info kasi ang ginagamit ko is yung maiden name ko, hindi yung married name ko po.
Hyphen. Kuwari ako, Mary Rose Lopez Ganson, naka-hyphen siya. Ayaw mo bang gamitin
Pero
yung
sa
ano? Yung last
yung sa
name?
mga legal papers ko pa po kasi yung nandito sa Pilipinas is Cledera, yung last name ko pa rin po nung single pa ako.
Okay. Akala ko naman may kakaibang, nangyayari kasi na may ayaw nila nang gamitin na yung married name nila. So, i-hyphen mo na lang, Beb.
Okay, sige po. Thank you.
Sige. Yes, Jay.
Coach, first name po ba ulit? Sorry.
First name, tapos kung may nickname ka, pwede mong i-add na rin yun sa first name. First name and last name. Dito. And then you save it. Three more minutes, guys. Go. Okay. Next. Once you guys have updated that, including the photo, pwede nyo balikan yung photo kasi meron tayo during our discussion sa application book na kung paano yung picture. But maglagay kayo dyan ng professional photo. Mas maganda if it will show a little bit of your face. I would say pwedeng like 2x2 ang atake or torso pic. But if naka-dark shirt kayo, naka-dark kayo na top, dapat light yung background. And if naka-light shirt kayo, i-dark nyo yung background. Next. So, here's a waffle icon. So, you have the Gmail. And from your Gmail, you have to make sure na nililinis nyo yan siya. Teka, itatabi ko muna. Titignan ko lang baka may naliligaw namang hindi pwede mabasa yung email. La 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 la. La 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 la. Parang wala naman. Wala. Malinis. Okay, pwede na to. Okay. Hindi kasi ako nagme-maintain ito. But this is yung email ng admins natin. So, the very first thing that I want you to do and I want you to make sure na alam niyo kung paano gawin is this. If andito kayo sa inbox ninyo at nakita ninyo dito sa taas ay nasa 1,000 plus na, that's a sign na kailangan nyo maglinis. Kailangan nyo maglinis ng email. How are you going to do that? Let's say, for example, ito na lang. Let's see. Okay. Wala. Ito. Pwede na to. Okay. So, for example, ano daw? Hindi ko na. Okay, kuwari ito na lang. So if, for example, nakita ninyo that you'd usually get emails from this company, i-click nyo yan siya dito sa taas, click on filter messages like these, and then click on create filter. I do not want yung inbox ko na clogged. But if, okay, pag gusto nyo nasa inbox nyo pa rin siya, bahala kayo. I would click on skip the inbox, mark as read if gusto nyo na-read na siya. Pero kung gusto ninyong andun pa rin, naka-highlight pa din, okay din lang na hindi. Click on apply the label. Choose new label if wala pa kayong label for that particular client or source. And then create, I would say this is from Salesforce. And then click on create. Let me show it one more time. Guys, as a general rule, if may pinapakita ako sa screen, again, watch me whip before you nainay para naiintindihan ninyo. Pinaka-common na nangyayari, especially yung first couple of days na nagte-training, is that gusto isasabayan. Kung hindi kayo naka-dual screen, panoorin nyo muna kung paano kung gawin, intindihing maigi, saka ninyo siya gawin sa screen ninyo. Are we clear? Okay. Ulitan. Pag login ninyo sa email, nakita nyo this person, halimbawa lang makita nyo dyan may sa email ng Shopee, and ayaw nyo na si Shopee ay mawala ang email. Napaka-importante ng email talaga niya. Make sure na i-check nyo yung email na yon. 3 button sa taas. Filter messages like these. Create a filter. Now, check etong mga to ha. Check. I would say skip the inbox. I would not say mark as read. Apply. Kung wala pa kayong label, lagyan nyo ng label. I think meron na akong label ng Salesforce. I think nagawa ko siya Salesforce. Wala. Okay, good. New label, Salesforce, and then click on create. So na-check na yan siya. And then apply filter to X number of matching conversations. I-check, kung gusto nyo, screenshot nyo yung screenshot nyo tong area na to para alam nyo kung ano yung mga chinekan ko at hindi. And then click on create filter. Pag-click nyo yan, what it will do is number one, i-add na niya dito sa label. So makikita nyo na dito na yan siya, tapos mawawala siya sa inbox nyo. Now, I will give you guys until 7:30 to practice this. And make sure by the end of the day, and when I say end of the day, ang end of day ko is tomorrow ng alas 5 ng umaga ha. By end of the day, malinis na ang email. That way, wala kayong ma-miss na important na email sa inyo. Any questions about this activity? Please raise your hands now. Any questions? None? Sige. Let's reconnect at 7:30. Ay, nakapaglinis na ba? Yes, pa-thumbs up nga. I wanna see thumbs up. Thumbs up? O yung iba nag-iisip pa kung ano. Ano kayang gagawin ko doon sa ano? Nakapag-ano naman ako, 100. Meron pa akong 24,900 na kailangan ko. Kaya nyo yan. So, after that, the next step that I want you to do would be here. See? Kita yung screen ko? Alright. I want you to... Ay, teka. Okay, back yan. Okay, there you go. So, this is Chrome. Dito sa baba, makikita ninyo may maliit na arrow pakanan. Kapag hinover niyo yung mouse niyo doon, it'll say show side panel and it will give you the following. So, eto yung mga I believe ito yung walang dinagdag dito. Parang ito na talaga yung nakaano dyan. Nakalagay. Yep. Yan na yan. So, dito sa side, makikita ninyo, you have the Google Calendar. You have Google Keep. Si Google Keep, I want you to start using this as your notepad. So, it's pretty basic. It's either you click here and click on take note, or you go to keep.google.com. And it will show you the same thing. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Let me send it here. Siyempre, wala yung mga nakasulat na to. May notes sila dyan. Tapos, dito kayo magno-notes. So, you can add a title. Perhaps for this training, say revamp. Tapos, dito nyo ilalagay yung notes nyo sa baba. The beauty of using Google Keep is that kahit saan kayo pumunta, kahit hindi nyo dala yung computer ninyo, you'd be able to access yung inyong, what do you call this? Yung inyong notes. Next, I want us to discuss tasks and calendar, but we're going to use this in such a way na magkasabay na sila. So, if you click on calendar, it will show your schedule. Pag click nyo to, it will open sa new tab. But another way to do it, let's say nasa Chrome ka, tapos talagang ang bubuksan mo lang is Google Calendar. I-click nyo to, click on calendar. Now here, what I want you to do, number 1, pinakang una sa lahat, click settings menu and click on settings. Make sure na kung nasaang lugar kayo, yun yung nandito. You can also change the format ng date and time. But this one is the most important. If nasa Pilipinas kayo, please make sure na sa Philippine Standard Time siya. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do that. 2 minutes. Yes, Jay.
Coach, regarding to the label, is it one email for one label?
Nope. It's one company. It depends on how you want to label. Yung iba, they would recommend, kasi may iba-iba tayong diskarte when it comes to, when it comes to organizing our emails. Even clients would have their preference when it comes to organizing their emails. But I personally, one company is one email. So halimbawa, mag-email sa akin si ManyChat, dito lang lahat pupunta yan. So halimbawa, ManyChat, example na lang si ManyChat. Si ManyChat is gumamit sila ng ibang email for advertisements. Nakita ko ads to ng ManyChat, isasama ko na lang siya dito sa ManyChat na label. If halimbawa si PayPal, kapag nag-email si PayPal, automatically pumapasok na yan siya dyan. But sometimes PayPal would send over an email notification na ibang email yung ginamit. So, pag nakita ko siya dito sa inbox ko, hindi siya automatic na pumasok dito sa folder, then magki-create lang ako ng filter para diretso na rin siya doon.
Okay, because last year when I joined your free session, I think I tried to do the labeling. Then it was a successful, but the other day when I received your email, it was not successfully added to the label. Maybe I was wrong. I did something wrong, so maybe I'll just fix it on the other day.
Not necessarily. Perhaps yung isinama mo na doon sa folder would be from the Bloody Mary email, and then maybe you received an email from a calendar invite from the top remote worker email. Kaya hindi pa siya nagdiretso doon.
Thank you, Coach.
Right? Yes, LA.
Oh,
Napuputol ka, Beb. Napuputol ka talaga. Ay, hindi ko napuputol mismo. Hindi ka namin naririnig, hindi ka namin naiintindihan. It could be your headset, it could be your connection.
Coach, luto lang po ng dinner. Sorry.
Ayan. Okay, go laban, Japan. Actually, patapos na rin tayo. Pero, yun.
Sige po.
Siguro, estimate ko mga 7:45, 7:50 tapos na tayo. Okay? Goods? Alright. So, going back, dito sa email, once na na-set up nyo na yan siya, make sure na naka-Philippine Standard Time. Kapag naka-receive kayo ng calendar invite, it should show up here. As you can see, nakalagay dito sa time na to is busy because nakasubscribe ito sa calendar ko. So, yan yung itsura. Hindi niya kita yung iba. But, ito yung mga times na hindi available. So, naka-busy yan. Dito dapat sa 6 to 8 p.m. ninyo, from the 18th down to the 29th, dapat meron kayong nakaschedule na revamp. Nakikita? Meron ba na wala sa calendar nila ang revamp na schedule? Please raise your hands. Ulitin ko lang. Pagpunta ninyo sa Google Calendar ninyo, meron bang hindi nakakakita ng schedule ng revamp? Wala? Everybody all goods? Okay. All goods? Saan galing yun? Alright, let me test something out. Because this coming Friday, wala tayong klase. And I just removed the calendar invite. Please refresh your calendar. And it should show up na nawala na yung schedule for Friday. Refresh your calendar. Meron bang hindi nawala yung calendar invite? Please raise your hands. Yes, Anne. Anne? Anne, unmute mo na.
Hindi po nawala yun sa akin. Refresh ko na po.
Internet connection mo.
Okay. Full naman po. Ulitin ko na lang po ulit. Close.
Refresh lang ulit.
Apo. Thank you.
I-refresh mo siya ngayon and then let me know kung makikita mo siya.
Okay na po. Na-remove na po. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? All right. At this point, my expectation is, number 1, wala nang magtatanong sa chat box kung may klase ba or wala. If hindi na-update yung calendar invite, ibig sabihin tuloy ang klase nun. There are times when I believe ang last na nangyari was sa video editing ata, naipit sa traffic but yung lalo na sa VIP, so tingnan nyo lang, if nandun, pasok lang kayo sa classroom, intayin ninyo na ma-accept kayo dun sa Google Meet. If hindi kayo na-accept sa Google Meet, then intay lang kayo ng further announcement sa classroom. Yung chat box natin is for generic questions. Say for example, pumasok kayo, nakita ninyo na merong bagong AI ngayon pwede kayo magtanong. Uy, nakita nyo na ba tong AI na to? May nakapag-try na ba? That's what the chat box or chat space is for. Sa Amazon, makikita ninyo, very active ang mga tao ngayon doon because kakatapos lang nung training nila and meron sila mga general questions. Anong ginagawa nyo dito? Uy, meron ba kayo ibang atake dito? Or ito yung mga extensions, mga ganyan. But if you guys need assistance, you do not send sa chat box. I see yung message ni Leslie, may training po ba tayo today? So, at this point, nasagot na yung question na basta na meron kayo nasa calendar, ibig sabihin tuloy yung training. Meron pang magtatanong dyan na nakapapasok na ba kayo? So, hanggang hindi pa kayo napapapasok, ibig sabihin, pending lang kayo doon, intay lang. If merong cancellations, ilalagay yan dyan siya. If merong pagbabago sa schedule, ilalagay yan dyan siya. If you need help, the very first step would be to send an email sa support. Clear tayo? Email sa support palagi. If at any point, kailangan ninyo ng assistance and you are still up ng 9 p.m., Monday to Friday, makinig maigi Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. hanggang 5 a.m., we have what we call the live call support channel. Ibig sabihin, papasok lang kayo doon tapos merong admin doon na mag-a-assist sa inyo to answer questions. Wag training specific Halimbawa, papasok ka doon, bakit hindi pa po nare-review yung submission ko ng bakla? No. Ito is general questions or assistance for the training process. Pagka sa mismong training na question, email sa support. Pwede rin naman, halimbawa lang So this happened sa ano ba yun? May nawalang access sa website. So, pumasok doon si Menti, nagtanong siya doon, and nung hindi alam ni admin yung resolution, minessage niya ako, tinawagan niya ako. So, pumasok ako doon and we were able to resolve it. Those kind of stuff, kung gising pa kayo 9 p.m. till 5 a.m. Manila time, Mondays through Fridays, might as well pasok kayo doon and tanungin nyo. If wala namang ma-provide na resolution si admin, for sure she will reach out to the right department, to the right person, para may tanong niya kung ano yung assistance na pwedeng ibigay sa inyo. And this is only available at the moment ng Monday to Friday. We're still working on our schedules para magawa siyang 24/7. Cool? Okay. Now, moving forward, if you guys, sino pwede mag-share ng screen? Please raise your hand. Sino pwede mag-share ng screen? Raise your hand now. Sige, Rick, go for it. Pa-share ako ng screen, please. Let me stop sharing my screen. Diana, you have a question? Or share screen? Entire screen tayo lagi, Rick. Stop sharing and then entire screen ulit. Stop sharing muna. Tapos entire screen. Always entire screen pag mag-share tayo. So, i-close nyo muna yung mga hindi pwedeng makita. There you go. Good. Okay. I want you to open Google Calendar, please. New tab na lang tayo. New tab. Google Calendar. New tab. Ay, wag. Huwag niyo pipindot. Yan. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, tama. Waffle icon. I-X mo na tong pop-up para hindi siya nakaharang. Alright. Can you click on yung calendar invite for revamp? Yung today's session. There. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, hindi siya basta ang calendar invite. Sa baba, makikita ninyo, number 1, very important. We have the link for our Google Classroom. Sa baba, baba. Meeting yan, Classroom, yan. We have the link for our Google Classroom. If wala pa kayo sa Google Classroom, please join now. On top of that, there will be videos na hindi available to public. In case na hindi ninyo makita, kunwari, chinek nyo yung recording ng klase and mag-show up siya as private video. That means you are using an email that is not authorized to view the video, and we created a tutorial on how you're going to access that, how to check and make sure that you are using the right email and that you are using the right YouTube account. Sa baba, meron pa tayo dyan. A few requests from the team. Number 1, please do not message us sa personal accounts. The reason being is because yun na lang yung space namin para huminga at magpahinga. So kapag nag-address pa kami ng question using yung mga social media accounts, hindi na kami, maburn out ba? We've experienced this back in 2021 wherein we're answering like everybody sa lahat ng sites and we realized na hindi siya efficient. That is why we created, number 1, the support email, and number 2, we have the live call na support channel in case you need assistance. Commenting sa social media accounts and sending messages sa mga pages, ang dami nyo talagang kasabay doon. Parang binaliwala ninyo yung pag-i-enroll nyo dito kung makikipagsabayan kayo doon sa mga general questions sa pages. We already have our support email. So again, we ask to no longer message us there. Please message us through support, live channel. Kawala-walaan kung wala kayong ma-receive na sagot, pwede kayo magtanong sa mga classmates nyo na, huy, ano yung ginagawa ninyo through the Google Chat space. Are we clear? Paulit-ulit din yan dyan. How to reach us. Talagang binobomba namin na dito kayo mag-email because that way, 3 kami na nakakapag-check ng email ninyo. So we address them as soon as we receive, but again, give us 24 to 48 hours. Next, if at any point, sige, i-close mo na lang yan siya. If at any point hindi ninyo nakikita yung calendar invite ng hanggang sa 29 pero meron kayong invite ngayon, most likely what you did was just accepted yung today's session. You have to make sure na when you accept calendar invites, you accept yung all. So magkiklik kayo dyan. You have to click this and following events or all events. Sige, i-all events mo para laban na laban. Pack. Thank you. Yeah. Next. For this particular week, we will be talking about systems, onboarding. So 19, 20, 21, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Kung kayo ay mabilis maka-pick up or yung mga pag-uusapan is familiar na kayo, I ask that you please be patient because there are people in the room na hindi pa talaga familiar. And hopefully, you'd also be able to pick up a thing or two na pwede ninyong i-apply sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong negosyo, even if you're already familiar with the system. By next week, you guys will be meeting with different mentors. So maraming ma-adjust pa dyan for sure because ang nangyayari is kung sino yung available, yun yung pipick up nung parang shift for that session. And lahat ng mentors natin ay freelancers. So yung lahat na nagtuturo, yung tinuturo namin, ginagawa namin talaga siya in real life. And yung schedule namin is talagang, kung alam niyo lang kung anong itsura niya, it's very difficult. So I ask for your patience. I ask that you give us time to get to know yung ating mentors, ask the right questions, follow our standard operating procedure. And last but definitely not the least, I want you to know na you are here because we want to be there to support you. And we will support you up to such extent na hindi naman yung kami na ang gagawa ng kailangan kayo yung gumagawa. Goods? Okay. Now, for our final set. For our final set, nag-concert yan. For our final set, I want you to just quickly check yung makikita nyo sa Google Classroom. Go open Google Classroom nga natin, Rick, please. Click calendar invite para hindi ka na maligaw ng landas. Baka makita yung yan. Mababa ng konti. Yan, Classroom. Click. So kapag first time kayong papasok dito sa link na to, meron pa dyang join classroom. I-click nyo lang join. Dito makikita nyo sa stream yung mga announcements, if may announcements man. Also, baba ka ng onte pa. Sige lang. Go pa. Pak. Wala pa pala nagpo-post dito, no? Sige. Kasi yung ibang classrooms may nagpo-post na ng mga job posting. Okay. Click on classwork. Classwork sa taas. Taas. Yan. So sa classwork, dito ipopost lahat ng homeworks. We're no longer going to post class recordings here. And aayusin ko pa yung due date ng homework ninyo. So this is something that we will discuss tomorrow. But I want you to double check na as early as now kung ano dyan yung mga gusto nyo nang i-take. If you do not have call center experience, simulan nyo na yung language and basic call center training. Click mo nga yung yan. Go. And then sa baba, makikita ninyo view instructions. View instructions sa baba. Yeah. So makikita nyo dyan yung instruction natin. Now, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-comment ng done. Instead, Rick, may call center experience ka ba? Yes, no, maybe. Hindi, i-type mo na lang dito sa baba. Wala. Wala. Okay. So if wala kang call center experience, you need to take this. All you have to do is click that link and then ano lang yan siya, recording na session. So click on that. And then click on enroll now. Pangit ng itsura ngayon, naayos kasi. And then click on start learning and then it'll take you to the class. Okay. Next. So balikan muna sa classroom. Later mo na yan i-check. Once you guys are done, you do not need to comment done. Uulitin ko, walang ganyang comment ha. Instead, i-click niyo dito sa upper right corner, you see the mark as done. Baba. Yung blue. Ayan. I-click nyo lang yan and that will notify us na tapos na kayo sa homework. Huwag mo munang i-mark as done at hindi ka pa naman tapos. Any questions so far? Please raise your hands. Wala pa? Question? Okay. Ayan. Sino yung may tanong? Thank you so much, Rick. Yes, Jay.
Coach, yung sa mga merong call center experience na, so do we have to take the language basic call center training?
Nope. Just mark as done. Good question. Yung may call center experience na, wag na. Para doon sa may mga call center experience, yung language training is, alam niyo yung first week lagi sa training. Yung ano, accent, yan. Yung
CET.
geography, yan. Bago mag-products training, yun siya. Ganon siya.
Kasi coach,
Okay,
non-voice na
go.
ako. 3 years.
Non-voice. Gusto mong mag-take, optional sa inyo yan. Pwede nyo i-take, pwedeng hindi. Kung gusto mo lang, kaya alam mo, pag ako nagtitake ako ng ganon, yung first week na uutal ako, na nababali ulit yung dila ko kung natatandaan yung training na yun. Okay. So, at this point, and we will review this ulit tomorrow, ha? But at this point, you guys are now familiar with Google Meet. You've seen Google Calendar. You've seen Google Classroom. You've seen Google Keep. Tomorrow, we will proceed to the whole training itself. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Wala na questions? Okay. First outline tayo. So, within the course of the next 4 days, we'll have introduction to freelancing, training tools, setting up your home office, platforms and marketplace, communication and client management, financial management and pricing strategies, time management, legal and contractual considerations, building personal brand, continuous learning and skill development, overcoming challenges and sustaining motivation. And then next week, you guys will meet the mentors, and then application book, final activity, mock interview, and then the one-on-one. Now, last part, eto na. I want you guys to turn on all of your camera for attendance purposes. Turn on your camera. Huwag nyo nang isiping hindi kayo naligo. Ako din. It's a tie. Hindi rin naman tayong kapritihan. Camera on, please. Camera on. Everybody and every all. Ba't wala talaga nag-on ng camera? Sandali. Paano ba yung ano ko? Inayos ko yung settings ko. Settings. Adjust view. Go. Ako lang pala na, syunga lang yung ina nyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, pati ako nasusunga ako eh. Ayan. Okay. Camera on. Pangit ko na naman ba ko na? Sabi kasi maligo muna. Pwede na to. Camera on. Yung sinasabi ko, yung iba kasi nag-on ng camera pag sinabi ng 3, 2, 1 eh. Wala na pala. Dito pa ba si Leslie? Leslie, galawin mong baso. Si Leslie sa'yo sa ano, mag-on ng camera pag sinabi 3, 2, 1. For attendance, una muna, yung smile is, nakasmile pero walang ngipin. Okay? Ready? Set? Si Honey, sabi na eh. Meron talagang ganyan. Okay, next. Nakasmile, may ngipin. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next ng picture natin, last na to. 1 by 1 whole body, pakitayo mo po muna everybody. Oo, kasama yung aso sa attendance natin. Dahil kasama na yan. 1 by 1 whole body, pakitayo po muna. Sino magpapakita? Ann, alam mo na yung ginagawa dito, di ba? Hindi to first time mo, di ba? O, paano yung 1 by 1 whole body? Tatayo. Kaya mo yan. Sige na nga. 3, 2, 1. Thank you everybody for joining today's session. I will see you tomorrow, 6 p.m. Keep in mind, if may adjustment, check lang tayo ng ating Google Calendar. Okay? Bye!